Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Amazon SageMaker for automated ML pipelines, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Amazon SageMaker for automated ML pipelines, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. In the search bar, type SageMaker and select it from the drop-down menu. On the SageMaker dashboard, look for pipelines in the left-hand menu and click on it. Click on the Create Pipeline button to start a new pipeline. Choose a name for your new pipeline and provide a brief description if desired. Select the execution role for the pipeline. This role determines what resources your pipeline can access. Next, configure the pipeline's parameters and specify the input source for your data. Select the training and model evaluation steps, adjusting settings according to your needs. Now, decide on the deployment configuration. You can choose to deploy to an endpoint or for batch transform. Review your pipeline setup to ensure all components are correctly configured. Once satisfied, click on the Create Pipeline button to finalize the setup. After creation, you'll be taken back to the pipeline dashboard, where you can see your newly created pipeline listed. To execute the pipeline, select it from the dashboard and click on the Start Pipeline Execution button. Monitor the execution progress from the dashboard to ensure all steps complete successfully. Upon completion, you can access the results, including model performance metrics, from the pipeline's output section. Familiarize yourself with the SageMaker documentation for deeper insights and additional features as you continue with your. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.